In today's video, I'll show you the Samsung Odyssey G4 best setting. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your Windows setting, click on the setting option, click system, click on display, scroll all the way down, and then we have the advanced display setting. Navigate through your displays if you have multiple, and then select the Samsung Odyssey G4. In here, you want to set it to the highest possible refresh rate. In our case, it's going to be 240 Hz, but unfortunately, I'm limited to 165 because I'm using different cable. You also want to try to use display ports in order to optimize this specific setting. So right after, I have prepared a best setting sheet right here. For picture mode, you want to set it to custom or FPS. Basically, this is best for competitive games. You want to avoid overly saturated dynamic modes for accurate visuals. For the brightness and contrast, this is going to depend on your room. If you have a well-lit room, you want to set it to 80 to 100. If not, you can set it below that. We then have the contrast at 70 to 80, which is good for general balance. Now, as an optional, you can lower brightness once again for dark rooms to reduce eye strains. Now for the color and sharpness, you want to set it to 50 or 60 to avoid over sharpening edges. For the color, tone, and temperature, set it to normal - warm. And lastly, you want to use the color custom RGB only if you want personal calibration. Now for the response and lag, you want to set it to the overdrive fast and fastest. You want to avoid extreme because this can cause screen ghosting. For the low input lag mode, you want to set this to on. It reduces system delays. And lastly, for game specific enhancers, the black equalizer is slightly above mid. This will help us spot enemies in dark areas. For the virtual aim point, you want to turn this off unless you want a crosshair assist. Basically, it will put a large crosshair in the middle of your screen. And for the contrast enhancer, you want to turn this off because this can wash out shadows. And so guys, those are the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G4. Basically, you can just customize all of this setting by using the joystick provided behind your monitor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.